We have lost one of our biggest pillars in our family, both from my mom's side and dad's side. Before this, get out of Kenya. Those are people who have always worked with us. Because I can say that time, what's up, mom was not working, and dad was also not working. But this friend of dad never got her to come to our home, never got her to come visit us. Baba Shiko, the one who take away. Family, please, see ati judada ameenda utaichukua simu yetu, please. Nimeipata dada kijumuika, because I believe both from our families, kuna dada alisaidia, but when we needed them most, no one who picked his phone. But Baba Shiko, hajaituangusha. But the truth is that there's no figures. Kamburi also, Lama. These are people that will come and tell us that we made a Cambodian because but after 3 days we find them laughing and calling each other all sorts of names. He was a loving person. He loved to see people together. He even loved my kids. Because I remember for the last 2 to 4 months, I and my wife, I used to wake up in the morning to take medicine to him because he was diabetic and had pressure. So the small boy who came here is called Muhiko. Every time when I woke up, he told me, Papa, woke up. He'll always remind me that to have to be like that. He loved him. I used to tell him, Kihi kiara ya wakomodi. Ananiambia pana kiutikiri. Usio Mwanake. Usio Mwanake. Todono wotira mushuru. Whenever we used to fight with my sisters, he used to ask us. I remember like 3 months ago, he asked us, Ikediyo wono mo Akirà. He wanted to see us happy. Even if they were the ones on the wrong, my dad would ask me, now when I'm on the walk away, Ikediyo get my call. Or to eat and I come and be like, he's sorry me. He never wanted anyone to mistreat our kids. He used to wake up so early in the morning just to train my younger sister how to improve on his studies. And honestly, today when I went to school to ask for permission, the teacher told me that since for the last 3 months, Spanish has improved. Because today, CRE has gone 100%. Today, I'm talking about today. She used studies where she used to get 29. Today she had 50 out of 60. So what that used to wake up to do to our kid, our baby sister, has been seen today. And it's a testimony that my sister is going to pass this exam. We're going to make it. That has so many people here. But I'm sure we are not going to get arrested. The day I got, I could not meet Bishop JJ and Muigai. When I called him, he told me, I'm in India, but let me give you 10,000. I've never interacted with Karango, but I told him my dad is sick. The next thing he said was 10,000, which he never told me, give me back. Something else, we welcome everybody who was a good friend at that time. And we don't want issues with anyone. If you have issues now with us, please handle it before it goes. Because me, I'm not going to handle anything here. I'm not going to handle here. I'm a dad at work and the this will be please, the committee is here, handle it. The committee. Mimi usikuje si mimi peka. Nakaa hata ulipatia nisaidie ni asante. Lakini wasikuje kutumbua sisi na watu wetu. Tafadhali respect us hivyo. Yu watu wa media mumeongea mingi, sasa mmejionea leo. Mlisema dadi ashikani yake na watu. Hawa wote wenye wanakaa na shikani walipitia mkono mmoja. Mind what post what to say. So hurting. Wewe furahia kutafuta vitu zako. Lakini kuna mtu anaumiza zaidi. Know very well. Nilikuwa naibia kila DJ papers. Na anajua na kimdasimu. Kwa hivyo nitanira na ndo karo kinyanyita na ni watu wengine wakitanira ni. So please be good to us. I saw even some comments yesterday at home. You are so hurt. So just hope I'm strong back.
Now that is enough.
Thank you so much. Ona kwenda kuga mundu wothe woete kamera iguru. Kiria mundu ahandaga. No kiage kate. Tulithia ciana biũ. Reke ciana irĩre biũ nĩ ũrĩa ũrandĩka. Nĩgetha tũkũgathĩrĩrie. Nĩgetha ũgĩe na likes, ũgĩe na subscribers aingĩ. No Ngai ndakareka mũndũ akome mbĩrĩra-inĩ atacaĩte ũrĩa anacaĩthia arenda. Ingĩaga kuga ciugo icio tondũ o gũkũ kũrĩ andũ ega no gũkoragwo na andũ arĩa maragia o ũrĩa mekwenda. Aria tu tondũ kĩhoto kĩ guoko-inĩ gwaku no mũthenya ũmwe ciaku nĩ ikanĩra na cikanio ciana ciaku ciĩroreire na nĩ ũgakona ihinda iritũ mũno. Tirĩ na ũndũ ũngĩ.
Nĩ ngwenda ũnoti ũhoro wa mũthuri ũyũ as we talk now, kando na mahujio na kutamatiti nchikii guys. Muhiko ndarari wa guteithio. He was not a needy person. Muhiko arari guteithia. Na ndĩrenda kũgũkũ kambũri mainana na mũndũ witũ wa Ciugo Muigai haha. Muhiko was not a needy man. Acio amwe mangĩte no mateithie Muhiko nĩ akombori. Muhiko araikaraga gwake. So let it be known by everybody, he was not needy. Muhiko have a neighbor son, and Muhiko was rich at the Ginyatoya Gewawake. This man wasn't needy. No, the Mwanake Jessia Kenya Yatamuno, he was a wounded soldier in the battle. Morimogioka, Ogekua Mutumia, Norasokora Mukua. Natiwe Waben, I mean Matiti. Achibarosa Mapitan accent, Murugami, Wayuni, Timati, very many. Nagokua, anybody can die. Because I have to hold a Kenya. Kindly, Tiga MAUNDU off the balance. It was their father was not needy. And what we are doing, we are not giving because they are needy. We are doing because it's noble. Akogawawe mwana kugera diagire kufatiti. No Jesu kimwira newe na gwikaga maria makibira na uthiri. Ona konde mwana kugera no kinya ubatithi. So we are doing this because this man was our senior. Nierete Muigai kinya kumwandika wira ni rwimbo rwa kinya mbere na nyimbo nyingi twandikite nake. Ona video ya kinya mbere ni nite kora kuna ndoiki Elijah Migaia has been sponsored by him. And Elijah Migaia is a great name by the Ohotua Muhiko. He used to be very down. No, this man, I retaliate, was not needy.